Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing this awesome iPhone 14 Pro Max case from VICMARS. This is like an unboxing slash review slash demonstration because I'll be demoing this case for you as well over the course of this video, so you'll get to see it in action. As you can see, this case comes in three beautiful colors. What you're seeing here is the PC back, which has this really awesome sort of metallic sheen to it. Even though it's a PC, it has this really beautiful, cool metallic sheen to it, which blends great with the aluminum kickstand. Now, these cases are fully MagSafe compatible. You can see the little MagSafe ring inside there, and also have a built-in kickstand, but completely smooth, no bump on the back, which is great. So they do come in all three colors: blue, black, or purple. I'm going to set the black and the blue to the side, and we're going to take a closer look at this case, looking at the purple one. First of all, let's talk about the obvious, the kickstand. Look at that. It's completely flat, completely smooth, no protrusion, which is great. And it gives you the ability to have this in horizontal mode or in vertical mode. So you can use that kickstand to view your phone, whatever's best for you. In horizontal mode especially, you can change the angle. So if you have it like that or you have it like that, you can get different angles with the kickstand. Great strong hinge, beautiful metallic finish on that. That is the color of the case. But again, no protrusion, which is great. Let's take a quick look at the design of the case, and then I'm going to put it on my iPhone 14 Pro Max over there so you can see it on the phone. This case, what's really cool, the inner is completely a TPU. So if I lift this up a little bit, you can see completely has a full TPU inner and then has that harder PC outer. So you're getting great protection with this case. A nice smooth TPU all the way around the inside, completely covering your phone and offering great protection. If you look at the sort of the wall right here, you'll see, if I can get it to focus in there, you can see how it has those like little grooves, little air pockets. And that goes all the way around on the sides and the top, so that it gives you that extra protection. Instead of having one solid piece against your phone, it has those air pockets. So even if you were to drop your phone, you're not going to have a solid hit. You're going to have these air pockets that protect. So great protection there, as well as also having slightly thicker corners, which also will give you great protection in case of a drop. So really excellent design. You can see it does have that full MagSafe ring there, so it is fully MagSafe compatible. So let's get this on my phone, and then we're going to take a closer look at what it's like on the phone. Now let's take a look real quick at the face. You can see there you've got slightly raised lip all the way around the face, so even if you lay your phone down flat, it's going to be protected. You also have raised bezel to protect those camera lenses, so that is great as well. You've got nice buttons. So of course this is the TPU inner, so you've got cool contrasting buttons where you've got that nice purple PC, and then you've got the TPU button cover in black. So really cool, good tactile feel. As well over on the volume rocker. Again, really cool the way that contrasts, that look. I love it. And then very easy to switch your button, your do not disturb button there. Nice wide opening for that. And then on the bottom here, plenty of space for your speaker as well as your lightning port. Nice wide cutout so that all of your chargers will fit without any issue at all. Now, of course, this is fully MagSafe compatible. I love that you don't see a ring here. It's just smooth and flat and just a nice, beautiful look, just like the phone itself. And but the ring is there, and it is fully MagSafe compatible. So this is going to work whether you're throwing this on a MagSafe charger for charging, or you're using another MagSafe compatible accessory. If you're putting it on a MagSafe mount in your car, it will stay on. Really strong magnets, fully MagSafe compatible case. In addition, of course, you're getting that beautiful kickstand, and the kickstand is, of course, a nice strong aluminum kickstand with a beautiful metallic finish that just blends with the case. And you've got both that horizontal view as well as vertical view that you can get with that, which is really, really excellent. And then I love the fact that it's completely smooth. Now, these sides, you can see they're kind of multifaceted. So you've got your flat side here, but then you've got this kind of angled side here. So it really is good for gripping. This case, because it is a dual layer, you've got the TPU inner and the PC outer. It's slightly thicker than maybe some other cases, but it gives you great protection, and it doesn't make it bulky. It's still easy to hold, and this nice PC, it feels comfortable in the hand. It's not as sticky as a lot of the TPU cases would be, but still no problem gripping. I mean, I can hold it with just 2 fingers, and it holds. I have no fear about this sliding out of my hands. If I'm holding it, it's not going to slide out of my hands, but it is a nice, smooth finish. So I really love the way that is designed. It looks great with that dual tone. You've got the black on the top and the bottom, and a little bit on the sides, and then on the buttons and things, but then you've got that beautiful metallic finished purple on the back and the sides and the kickstand. And again, you've got your option of colors. You've got the blue, you've got the black. All of them look great. Just really an excellent case. All this great functionality between being fully MagSafe compatible and having the built-in kickstand, and having the dual layer protection, so very, very protective of your phone, but without having a ton of bulk and without having any protrusion on the back, still having a completely smooth back. So really beautiful, beautiful cases by VICMARS, as well as all the functionality you could possibly imagine or want in a case. So if you are looking for an excellent case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, then this case by VICMARS is definitely one I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.